Okay, so let's talk about the iPhone 17, because honestly, the one thing everyone wants to know right now is, how much is this thing going to cost me? With all the talk about tariffs, supply chain issues, and Apple's history of, quietly nudging prices up, a lot of people were bracing for bad news. But here's the surprise. New reports suggest it might not be as painful as we thought. For weeks, the big fear was a 5% price hike across all models. That would have meant every iPhone suddenly costing more, just because Apple had to deal with extra tariffs in the US. But here's where it gets interesting. Thanks to something called the semiconductor tariff exemption, basically a rule that shields Apple from certain import costs, analysts are saying Apple might keep most iPhone 17 models at the exact same price as the iPhone 16 lineup. That's right, no across-the-board hike. Now, let's go model by model. The regular iPhone 17? Still expected to start at $799. That's good news for anyone planning to grab the base version. The big beast, the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Same story, likely sticking at $1,199. But here comes the twist, the iPhone 17 Pro. Apple is reportedly ditching the 128GB version and making 256GB the new starting point. Which sounds cool, until you realize that bumps the price from $999 up to $1,099. It looks like Apple just charged you an extra $100. But in reality, you're also getting double the storage. So it's less of a price hike and more of Apple saying, we're leveling things up. And then there's the newcomer, the iPhone 17 Air. This one replaces the 16 Plus, and it's slim, it's light, and it's clearly designed to feel different. Pricing? Well, that's where things get messy. Analysts think it'll land somewhere between $899 and $949. But here's the clever part. Apple could price it under $800 in China to qualify for government subsidies. That would instantly make it more affordable and way more competitive in one of Apple's most important markets. So what does this all mean for us? Basically, if you were worried that the iPhone 17 lineup was going to burn a hole in your pocket, relax. For most models, prices are staying steady. The only real change is with the Pro, and even that comes with more storage baked in. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.